Good morning, children.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Good morning. It's not even morning. It's like 2, but I've been doing nothing today. I literally just... I woke up at like 12, so no. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just gonna vlog today. I haven't posted anything in a really long time because I'm a senior, or I was a senior, and graduation stuff has been absolutely crazy, and I just, whoa, I'm so pale. Graduation stuff has been absolutely crazy. So, I haven't been able to post anything or make any videos, which is so fun because it's just a lot of fun to do that. Anyway, I'm just gonna clean my room right now because, let me just show you this little situation. Let me just show you how ugly it looks right now. It's not that bad, but like, for me, this is like really messy. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean real quick, and my plants are doing so good. They're growing so much. That's a little update on my... That's a little update on my plants. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean my room, and I love cleaning. I know, it's weird, but okay, we're gonna get this set up. Another thing I need to do today is work out because I'm gonna start doing that again because I've been slacking, and I have a fitness Instagram, or I have an Instagram dedicated to my healthy lifestyle, and you know, I'm human. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my face now. Oh, my camera's about to die. Okay, I'm gonna plug my camera out before it dies. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for the day. I need to do some laundry, some stuff that no one cares to watch. Okay, so it's like an hour later. I have like a bunch of graduation gifts that I need to go through, and I have like a ton of thank you cards that I've written that I need to get stamped. I did a buttload of laundry, which is good because I had so much laundry. Now I'm going to Target because I'm going on a trip soon, and it's for like 2 weeks, so I need a bunch of stuff, and I got a Polaroid, but the batteries are dead, so I need to get some new ones. They're like some really weird ones. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna see if Target has them. Probably won't, but that's okay. But yeah, now I gotta let Oreo out. Say hi. Okay. Oh, there's a really big spider. No! No! I hate spiders. Sorry. Ooh. So I'm about to go to Target. I think I already said that. But anyway, I'm about to go to Target. What is that? I don't know what that is. That is weird. That's really weird. But yeah, anyway, I really need to stay on. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, whatever, bye. Before I leave, I'm going to make some lemon water. So I need a drink, and I need to stay hydrated. I have some ice and I'm just gonna take some of this lemon juice stuff, I don't know, and put it in here. It just helps me drink more water. I put a lot in there. It's really not that much. I think there was like some soap in the straw from the dishwasher. Oh well, okay. To Target we shall go. I'm literally just driving down my driveway right now. It's a really long driveway. But yeah. See you later, ladies and gentlemen.